Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed about causes of poverty. Now let's understand some measures to reduce poverty. As India has taken many steps to eradicate poverty during planning period. Here are the measures. First is to increase agricultural productivity. Under this program, government is trying hard to literate the farmers about new technology and advanced skills about agriculture so that by using these modern technologies farm productivity can be increased and the income of agriculture laborers can be increased so that their quality of life or standard of living can be improved. In that case, poverty to some extent can be reduced. Especially in rural India, the whole food grain market is regulated by government so that the price of food grains cannot be increased after certain limits. By introducing more allied industries, here allied industries means fisheries, cattle rearing, poultry farming, dairy industries, etc. Government of India is focusing on maximum employment generation so that the number of poor and poverty can be reduced. The next measure taken to reduce poverty is development of small scale industries. In India, small scale industries contributing a major percentage in gross national income and employment generation because these industries are labor intensive industries. Maximum work is done by manpower in these industries. So Government of India is making policies and introducing new reforms for the growth and development of small and cottage industries because maximum generation will be there by these industries and due to that unemployment and poverty can be reduced on a large scale. The next measure to reduce poverty is development of unorganized sector. Unorganized sector means an enterprise owned by individuals or self-employed workers that are engaged in production or sale of goods or providing service of any kind whatsoever and where the enterprise employs workers, the number of such workers is less than 10 is called unorganized sector. For example, vegetable vendors, masons, agricultural laborers, etc. To improve the condition of workers working in unorganized sectors, National Commission has recommended the guidelines for the working environment of these workers, life insurance, health parameters, old age pension and other social security measures. And for small and marginal farmers, Government of India declared many schemes and easy loan facility so that the income of this group can be increased and poverty can be reduced. The next measure used to reduce poverty is use of appropriate tax policy. To decrease the gap of rich and poor, government imposes more tax on rich and less tax on poor so that this income could be redistributed for the welfare of poor so that the social life as well as the economic condition of the poor can be improved and poverty can be reduced. Next measure to reduce poverty is rise in human capital investment. Dear students, developed nations allocate a huge amount of budget for the skill development and training so that their laborers could be more skilled and productive. And Indian policymakers are trying hard to allocate maximum budget for the development and training activities of the laborers so that our Indian human resource could be more skilled, productive and competitive in the world market. Next measure to reduce poverty is goods and services at reasonable rates. India introduced policies like PDS, Public Distribution System, food security schemes where essential commodities are available at reasonable rates. These policies helping the poor class directly. And during the time of natural calamities, these fair price shops play an integral role in satisfying the daily needs of the poor. Dear students, in next video we will discuss some important employment programs for poverty eradication. Thank you.